Today I'm making a delicious, easy and quick cocoa bundt cake with you. Make this recipe with me because it's really simple. Let's get started. So first I pour the eggs into a bowl, then I add the sugar and start whisking. Then I gradually add the oil and the milk. And then in another bowl I sift the flour. I add cocoa. Then I add the baking powder, the chocolate chips. I mix well to combine the dry ingredients well. Then little by little I add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. I mix vigorously until I get a lump-free mixture, and then I butter it all over. Then I dust it with flour so it sticks to the butter. Then I pour the mixture into the mold. Then I smooth it out. After that, I put it in the oven, already nice and hot, and bake it in the center for 45 to 50 minutes at 180 degrees. By the way, let me remind you that my 2 cookbooks are available only on Amazon worldwide. Search for Carlo Gaiano Reset and you'll receive them in at most 2 days. And here it is. Now I'll take it out of the mold. To check if it's cooked, just insert a toothpick and pull it out. See if it's raw or cooked inside. Obviously, well, this should have been done earlier. If the toothpick comes out clean, it means it's cooked. If instead it comes out with some batter stuck to it, it means the cake is still raw inside. Don't skip this step. After at least 45 minutes, go check, and then in that case either take it out or let it keep baking, always keeping an eye on it. Don't let it burn or overcook. On top I put a bit of powdered sugar and I'll taste it with you. Look at this. This one you see is one of the biggest chocolate chips. And the bundt cake is nicely baked. Let's see. Oh my. Make it and let me know what you think in the comments below. Make it for your kids instead of packaged snack cakes. Make it for dunking in milk. Go ahead, even though you can already see there's chocolate here, put a little Nutella on top. Do as you like, but make it. For now, I'll say goodbye, and before I leave you, as usual, I just want to say, enjoy your meal.